generate leads and sales for your business. However, the email marketing platforms charge hefty monthly fees, have limits on emails you can send, and complex workflows. This is where SendOnyx Demo tutorial comes into play. SendOnyx is an all-in-one email marketing and automation platform created by Abid Wavedi. It allows you to send over email campaigns, build landing pages, import leads, and much more without paying any monthly fees. In this detailed SendOnyx tutorial, I will cover its features, pricing, pros and cons, ideal users, and more to help you determine if it's the right email marketing platform for your business. What is SendOnyx? SendOnyx is an all-in-one email marketing and automation platform created by Abid Wavedi. It positions itself as the next-generation email autoresponder and a cost-effective alternative to expensive tools like Aweber, GetResponse, and MailChimp. With its user-friendly drag-and-drop builder, unlimited contacts and sends, automations, landing pages, and affordable one-time pricing, SendOnyx aims to provide a seamless and efficient email marketing experience. Why choose SendOnyx? SendOnyx offers several advantages over traditional email marketing platforms like MailChimp. No monthly fees. Unlike platforms that charge hefty monthly fees, SendOnyx offers a reasonable one-time price, allowing you to use the platform for life. This eliminates recurring costs and maximizes your profits. Unlimited email sends. With SendOnyx, there are no restrictions on the number of emails you can send per month. Unlike platforms like MailChimp that limit your monthly sends unless you upgrade to expensive plans, SendOnyx gives you the freedom to reach your audience without any limitations. Better deliverability. Our tests have shown that SendOnyx has 3 to 4 times higher inbox rates compared to MailChimp. Its proprietary deliverability technology ensures that your emails reach your subscribers' inboxes, boosting your engagement and conversion rates. More personalization options. SendOnyx offers features like tags, segments, and custom fields, allowing you to send hyper-targeted emails to your subscribers. With these options, you can achieve 5 to 8 times more sales by delivering personalized content to your audience. Easy automations. Setting up customer journeys and complex automations is a breeze with SendOnyx. You don't need technical expertise to create effective automations that nurture your subscribers, cross-sell, upsell them, and drive more sales. Higher engagement. With real-time alerts and AI copywriting, SendOnyx consistently achieves 63% plus open rates, compared to the 20 to 30% open rates of MailChimp. By leveraging these features, you can significantly increase engagement and maximize the impact of your email campaigns. Key features of SendOnyx. SendOnyx offers a wide range of features to streamline your email marketing efforts. Let's take a closer look at some of its notable features. Drag-and-drop email builder. SendOnyx provides an intuitive drag-and-drop email builder that allows you to create beautiful and engaging emails without any coding knowledge. The builder offers a WYSIWYG experience, enabling you to customize fonts, colors, sizes, and other formatting options. You can also choose from 20 plus pre-made templates or import your own HTML templates. With its mobile responsive design, your emails will look great on any device. Unlimited contacts and email sends. Unlike most email marketing platforms that impose limits on the number of contacts and email sends, SendOnyx offers unlimited contacts and email broadcasts. This freedom allows you to scale your list and sends without worrying about hitting any limits. Say goodbye to hefty fees when you cross a threshold. Lead management and organization. SendOnyx provides a built-in CRM-like contact management system that allows you to import contacts seamlessly via CSV. You can tag, segment, and organize your contacts based on different parameters such as demographics, behaviors, and attributes. This level of organization enables you to send targeted broadcasts and achieve better conversions. Email drip feature. SendOnyx offers a unique email drip feature that allows you to send timed email drip campaigns. This feature is particularly useful for re-engaging cold leads and conducting cold outreach. For example, you can set up automated drip sequences to send 5 cold emails over 2 weeks to encourage demo signups. The email drip feature simplifies the process of running cold email campaigns.